Good morning, welcome to Moneyline. I have 7 draws here for you guys today, being Friday the 8th of March 2024. So let's get started. The first game we have today is in Paraguay, where Deportivo Paraguay is taking on Club Mercedes, and my prediction is full-time draw. Then we move on to Northern Ireland, where Bohemian Dublin is taking on Selborne, and my prediction here is full-time draw. The next game we have is in Romania, where Dinamo Brăila is taking on FC Uta Arad, and my prediction is full-time draw. As you know, we have a premium channel where we share short games on daily basis. If you want to join our VIP, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Chat me up on WhatsApp. I don't share free games on WhatsApp. I don't share pay after. I post free games here on YouTube and Facebook every morning. Okay, moving on, we have the next game we have is in Croatia, where Dean is taking on NK Istra 1961, and my prediction is full-time draw. The next game we have is in Kuwait, where Altai so let me get the link alright so that you won't mix this game. That game is in Kuwait. Altai taking on Hazem, and my prediction is full-time draw. The next game we have here is in, I think this should be Uganda. Hold on, let me switch my Uganda Premier League, where Ura FC is taking on Bull FC, and my prediction is full-time draw. The next game we have here, being the last game on this list, is a game in the Syria, where Al Wadia is taking on Kalia SC, and my prediction is full-time draw. That gives us a total of 2,652 odds, 7 matches. Okay, that's all I have for you today. This is the booking code for this game for those people using Sportybet. These games are available on all the bookmakers around the world. Just go to your own local booking and select this game. Do not forget to leave a like and also follow this page and channel for more football tips. Bet responsibly and stay blessed.